Hello guys, I wanted to update you on my current project of setting up my workbench. So part of that is this ESD mat, which I've got for pretty reasonable price actually. I needed 120 millimeters by how much it is by 60 millimeters is the one which I've got, and this is what I needed because it's pretty hard to get exact size as your table it is, and I needed to have bit space on the side where I can use my mouse, or I can put my pens and etc. So this one fit my expectation. So I got it from Amazon, which basically the reseller was UK and Static here in the UK. So I'll put the link in the description below, so you can check and have a look if it's something which you look for. There are lots of ESD mats on the market, but the one which I particularly was looking for was one ESD mat on top of it, which I can solder easily without worrying that I may damage it. So I needed kind of temperature resistant ESD mat, but not industrial one, where I can use torch and etc. on top of it. So I just needed this simple resistance against soldering on top of it. So let's unwrap it and see how it looks like. So it comes with this foil to protect it, and the whole package, I must say that was wrapped pretty well, so it can be transported easily and safely. So let's take it out. So it comes with this two stones on the side where you can ground it, and if you work with ESD sensitive electronics, they will be safe from electrostatic damage. So let's remove this one underneath. It looks pretty tough though, pretty thick, and in the same time it's pretty flexible. Yeah. Now it has this really strong smell, which I read that it should go off in a couple days. So let's unwrap it completely and see how it will fit. So this was the biggest one which I could get, a fixed size one. From my table there were lots of different ESD mats, but this one seemed like it will able to handle my soldering habits. Okay. Well, most likely because it stayed rolled, it may we have these corners which may take a bit time until it completely flattens. I will apply a couple books on the corners, so that it can get straightened. If I put my mat, my keyboard, my soldering irons. It looks pretty well made, so it should be perfect. Solder on top of it. So here it is. This is how it looks like when it's flattened on
on the table, and I use a couple of my wife's books to push it on the corners, as well as my projects, my next projects, and so hopefully it will be nice matte. We still have this strong odor coming from it. It smells like something between rubber and plastic, which should fade off in no time. Thank you guys for watching. If you have comments or suggestions, drop down below in the comment section, and please subscribe to see more of our projects. Thank you.